and then the content here, and I want to show you how you can convert the end points on Poppo Live into tradable coins, those that you can actually send to those who need to buy coins on Poppo Live. So now let's head on to Poppo Live so that I walk you through this. So here we go. Come on, Poppo Live. Okay, so we are diving into Poppo. So when you get here, what you do is you click the icon in the bottom right corner. That's the profile tab. Now don't make a mistake of clicking anywhere apart from clicking the coins trading account. That's the one at the bottom there. Just right below monthly host invitation reward there. Just right below monthly host invitation reward, right below monthly host invitation rewards is add host agent and coins trading. Click that. It's loading. Okay, boom, we are in. Okay, so now when you get here, what you need to do is okay, so what you do is you simply click exchange. Okay, so they're saying if you have 100,000 points, they'll actually give you 92,000 coins for trading. So here at the bottom, you simply type in what you're seeing on the right. What figure is that? That is 7731. Okay. So if you have 500,000 points, you can convert them and you walk away with 470. If you have 500,000 points, you convert them into coins, they'll give you 475,000. So let's do this. Let's check here. Okay, they have already selected, and then we can click exchange coins now. Exchange coins. Okay, so we click confirm. So they're saying you haven't set the security password. Please set the security password. Go to settings, and we are setting it up right away. Okay, so after setting the password, I received this saying password set successfully. Your security password is related to the security of your funds. Click I see. Okay, so now let's enter these 2543. I'm just punching in what is on the right. Then I click exchange coins, then confirm. Then I enter that security password that I had just said. Okay, so now I've received a confirmation that has been successfully done. So we can check. I'm remaining with 4,880 points. Okay, and I have received those coins for trading or to trade. Okay, so now let me head on to WhatsApp so that I copy the ID of a person that I want to recharge on Poppo Live. So here we go. I copy that, then head back to Poppo Live. So now what I'll do is I will click coins trading. then punch in the ID. Okay, beautiful. So it's showing the person that I'm going to recharge. So now I will punch in the number of coins that I want to send to that person. Okay, so now I will need to confirm by clicking transfer. So here we go. I'm confirming this transfer. So it has brought up this. So now I'll punch in the user ID. And then I'll need to confirm. And boom, the coins have actually been sent. That's how we do it. That's how we do it.